Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. My name is Silvio and this is all about EQs, episode 2. In the last episode we talked about the high and the low pass filters, which are one of the most important filters for EQs. Personally, I use them all the time on everything. Today we're going to talk about some types of EQs, which I consider to be important. So with no further introduction, let's start. 1. Shelving EQ. This one affects all the frequencies above and below a certain point. For an easier understanding, think about the bass and treble knobs that we had on an old stereo system. For example, a slight high shelf boost on vocals. It will add brightness and character to the track. A shelf cut in the low frequencies can be also used to cut the bass if those frequencies make the mix feel muddy. So this one is quite simple, feel free to use it every single time if you want to make small adjustment. It's really useful. 2. Graphic EQ. This one looks a bit different. The frequencies are grouped into categories and you can boost and cut each one of them separately to shape the sound. This is the quicker and easier approach, but at the same time it lacks a bit of accuracy. During a live session, an analog EQ will always be preferred. 3. Parametric EQ, which is the most used one if you do mixing and mastering at home. You can control the frequencies entirely because you can control the bandwidth or the Q value, so you can get very accurate with this. Personally, I recommend you to use this to cut the unwanted frequencies in the first phases of your mix, and less to boost them. And 4. The bandpass EQ. This one affects the mid-range frequencies rather than lows and highs. It is the best when it comes to live performances because it can kill the feedback which can occur in the mid-range. Now, in the end, I would like to say something. It doesn't really matter what EQ type you use or what type of filter you use. Small adjustments are making big changes. Small adjustments are making big improvements. Small adjustments are making great music. Thank you very much for watching, and if you liked it, a share would be appreciated, a subscribe would be great, and until the next video, take care of yourself. Bye bye.